All right, we're at data table 3. It's still experiment 4, the simple pendulum parameters. And we're going to, data table 3 investigates the length. Excuse me. This is step 4. Says experimentally investigate the relationship between the length and period of the pendulum. Using 4 different lengths, they recommend 0.2 meters, 0.4 meters, 0.6 meters, and 0.8 meters, and that'll work fine. Let me diminish this. Hopefully you can see the length. You can use the 1 kilogram, that's the default, and I got to move my cat. Sorry about that. Go on. So let's start off with 0.2. 0.2 meters, and let's just do a 10-degree, and you can see that's pretty quick. So let's count it. Let's see. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that would be 0.906 seconds for the period. Let's check it with the period timer. And okay, 0.8989. So you can see we got pretty close. I said it would be 0.906. This is 0.8989. And let me write that down. Okay, length at 0.2 meters. Experimental was 0.906 seconds. Okay, and so then you just want to, I had it at 0.2. You want to go to 0.4. Didn't quite do it with the slider. Well, I'll use the arrows, 0.4. And you can see already it's slowing down. And then you can do it at 0.6. And it's slowing down. So you can see that length definitely does play a part. Well, I'm going to go all the way to a meter. You're supposed to do it at 0.8. And if I just, I'm just going to do the period timer. And you can see it's 2 seconds. So we went from 0.9 seconds to 2 seconds all the way up at a meter. But I want you to use the way they recommended in the lab procedure, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8. And you're going to vary the lengths right there. And then, you see, here's my cat. You're not part of the experiment. This is the indoor cat, not Blanca like you saw in the paper cups, paper filters. Okay, so the next, I think that's it on length. The next we're going to do damping, and that's where we're going to vary this here. So let's end this. There it is.